Hello friends, how are you? Last video when we made about glycemic index, glycemic load, so lots of people knows that what is glycemic index. But today we will talk about food with glycemic index and the carbohydrates that food have. So let's start. If you don't watch our last video about glycemic index and glycemic load, so please go and check that videos too. So friends, I am Dr. Dev shining in my YouTube channel Bang on Fitness. But firstly, we just know how to calculate amount of carbs. So this is the calculation. It is a principle like weights of food in grams into carbs per 100 gram oblique 100 is equal to amount of carbs. Like if we take like white rice cooked, so we just know that 30 gram per 100 gram carbohydrates in it. So we just take 200 grams of white rice cooked into 30 oblique 100 is equal to 60 gram. So we just know how to calculate that things. Let's start our video that white bread have 50 grams of carbs and GI value is 75. We just take middle range like average on every food's GI value, because some researches shows us 75 plus 2 or minus 2. So we just take only average of every food. Like white bread have 50 grams of carb and GI value is 75. Wholemeal bread is equal to 40 gram carbs, 74 gram GI value. Naan bread is equal to 50 gram carbs, 76 GI value is 76. French stick have 55 gram. French stick or French fries you can say. French stick have 55 gram carbs and 63 gram plus minus 5. Some value shows us 65 plus 63 plus 5 and 63 minus 5. Bread muffin 40 grams and the GI value is 70. Chapatis have 74 gram carbs and 52 grams GI value. Digestive biscuits have 66 gram carbs and 55 GI value. Plain biscuit have 75 gram carbs and 69 GI value. Like chocolate coated bread biscuits have 67 gram carbs and it have like 70 grams of GI value. Now we just start we just take a look like dairy, like fresh, full milk or both, full or skimmed, both have 5 gram carbs and 39 plus minus, both means someone have like 37 and 39. So it's just dairy, skimmed milk or fat milk have approximately same GI value like 39, 37 plus minus 3 or 4. Natural yogurt have 7 grams carbs and 41 have GI value. Low fat yogurt had 14 gram carbs and 40 is GI values. Now we just look at some fruits. Fruits like apple. Apple have 12 grams of carbs and 36 its GI value. Banana 23, 51. Grapes 15, 51. Kiwi 10 grams carbs and 51 GI value. Mango 14 and 51. Oranges 8 gram carbs and 43 its value. Pineapple 10 grams of carbs and 59 its GI value. Pomegranate 10 grams of carbs, 45 grams is GI value. Strawberries is 5 grams, very less carbs in it, 5 grams and 49 have like a GI value. Now we talk about white rice cooked. White rice cooked have 30 grams carbs and 73 its GI value. Uncooked 86 gram carbs. When we cook that lots of carbs have burned. So white rice cooked, uncooked have 86 grams of carbs and approximately 70 grams of GI value. Brown rice 32 grams, 68 GI value. Basmati have 30 gram carbs and actually every rice have approximately 68 to 73, between 68 to 73. So plus minus 4 every rice have. So let's check about pasta. Pasta have 22 grams of carbs per 100 gram. These values are per 100 grams. These values are per 100 grams. So pasta have 100 grams of carbs in 22 and the 60 grams of GI values. Whole meal pasta 23 grams and 50 its GI value. Flour like which made with chapati. Flour with 76 grams of carbohydrates. Sugar have 100 grams in 100 grams carbohydrates because it's made with sucrose and its value is sugar values is approximately 65 plus minus 4. Dried food have 70 grams of carbs. Oats have 62 grams carbs and 79 plus minus 3. Honey have 80 grams of carbs and 61 grams of 61 GI values. Like red kidney beans have, this is lentils and beans. So red kidney beans have 17 grams of carbs and 24. Chickpeas 18 grams, 28 GI value. Lentils 18 grams and 32 GI value. Moong dal have 15 grams and the same 32. Soya have 15 grams carbs and plus 20 GI value is 20 plus minus 4. Let's check another things like potato. Potato have 17 grams of carbs per 100 gram and the GI value is 78. This is cooked potatoes value. Chips, when we just change the chips, so 30 grams of carbohydrates because it's processed. So chips have 30 grams of carbohydrates and 56 grams of GI value. Sweet potato have 20 grams of carbohydrates and the 63 grams 63 is GI values. Biryani, when you eat biryani like chicken and the rice in it, so it is like 400 gram, like 100 is that carbohydrates and egg fried rice is 85. Like samosa have 15 grams of carb. One samosa have 15 grams of carb and 70 its GI value. Cheeseburger have 30 grams of carbohydrates and 30 to 40 gram have 30 to 40 is GI value. Types of pizza means list of pizza have in the Pizza Hut or every shop. So types of pizza have 40 to 50 gram each piece is carbohydrate in it. Macaroni have 40 gram of value. And the cakes, types of cakes have 30 to 55 means list of cakes have all the types of cakes have 30 to 55 gram in it. It is between 30 to 55 and the GI value of every food like cheeseburger, cheese pizza, macaroni and cake have 80 plus minus 3. So you just watch that every food have GI value and carbohydrates. If you don't watch our last 4 video about carbohydrates, so please go and check those videos too. And please watch it carefully. Please like, share and subscribe us. Please support us. Thank you.